I'm laughing because I think I'm going to get bullied using it, but I also think it's absolutely phenomenal. Hello YouTube and welcome to another That Girl Biker YouTube video. So things are a little bit different today. We've got a completely different setup. The month of October for sort of YouTube people is called Vlogtober. Now that was completely new to me. As you know, I'm new to the YouTube scene. I mainly do Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, Vlogtober is a thing. So basically Vlogtober is where YouTubers post content every single day in a form of a vlog. Now, my life on a daily basis isn't interesting enough to post, a full vlog every day. So we're going to do it bike themed. We're having a biker Vlogtober. And yes, I've missed 2 days, but it's fine. So I've even got a little mic today. I can't put it too close because, as we know, I'm quite a loud speaker. So we've put it on a table and we're just going to trial it and see how it works. Now, the weather outside is absolutely horrific. It's awful. It's absolutely piddling it down. So I'm not going to go for a ride and I'm not going to do any bike maintenance. However, I have the best thing in the world to start this Vlogtober off. I mean, we're 3 days in. It's October the 3rd today. So I'm a little bit late. However, I've got the perfect thing. So, what's in the box? I'm laughing because I just think this is absolutely hilariously brilliant. So, it's a little box, and we have a box inside a box, and it's called Biker Guard. Now, some of you may know from that what it is, but I'm guessing a lot of you won't, and I can't wait to show you. So, Biker Guard sent me this a while back, and I just haven't had time to fit it. So, today you're going to fit it with me, and it is perfect for this rainy weather. Now, this is probably one of the best inventions that I've seen come onto the biker market in the last few years. It's completely unique. I've not seen anything like it before in the bike world. However, if you're driving any other vehicle, you have it. So why would you not have it in the bike world? So let's have a look. So inside this box, we have a little charging cable. Can you tell what it is yet? A little remote control, and we have a little baby wiper blade. How amazing is that though, really? It's a little wiper blade for your helmet, for your visor. Do you not think that's brilliant? So we're going to fit it, we're going to have a look, and we're going to see how we get on. Now, you do have to make a tiny little drill holes in your visor. So I'm not going to do it on my tinted visor. It is interchangeable. You get a couple of the catchments so you can put it on different visors. I'm not going to do it on my black visor. I'm going to do it on my clear visor, as that's probably what I'm going to be using in the winter months, because that's a very dark visor. So let me get that and we'll fit it. So I have my clear visor, and we're going to get cracking. So on the template it does have a QR code which links to the user manual. If not, just pop on their Biker Guard website and there is a user manual on there. Now, it says to attach, so this is essentially where your bracket's going to sit. So attach that and line it up, but don't seat it on the ridge. You know that little bit. So let's have a look. So I've got to make sure it's straight. If you use a little bit of sellotape to hold it in place, that seems quite sensible. Now I don't know how to tell whether it's central or not. So I think what we'll do is we'll take this visor off and then use the showy text to line it up. Okay, no, so it's way off. Right, so I've lined it up, I think about right. So I'm going to take the visor off and then we're going to drill it. And that's the bit that I'm most worried about, to be honest. So when they drilled it on the user manual on the video, he did it that way. Like he held it and did it, not pressed it down. I'm guessing it's so you do it gently. So you got all the tools you need. So we'll get these out. So your little hand drill. And a little itty bitty drill bit. So that goes into that one and that hole. Drill holes here. It's quite scary. Obviously online it looked super easy. They do need a bit of force on that. This is pretty horrific. One hole down. So it is only a tiny, tiny hole. So we'll do the other one. Makes your hands ache. Okay, so we are through. So I'll take the template off, obviously, and keep it for the next time. So if I fold that tape over like that, there we go. So it's got the tiniest bracket and the tiniest little screws. So is there a male and a female? No? So it just screws straight in then. The screws stick quite the way through the back. Just hope it doesn't catch or anything. So these are one of them that they sort of tighten and then loosen a bit. So I think maybe a little blob of glue or something just to keep them secure. So let's put this back on. I've just noticed on this clear visor it's got like little bumps on the edge. Interesting. So it doesn't catch on anything, it all looks good in the hood. So this slides down and you push the pin and it'll lock it in place. So push the pin, slot it in. See that just, oh yeah, no it isn't. Put the camera down. Oh! So time to use it. So I'm just going to put these little tiny screws away because we know I'll send these to the bone by accident. Them in there, that in there. So this is a fun part of testing it out. Now I don't want to do it like dry on there, so I have got some to put on it. Just a standard elbow grease that I use to clean my visor anyway. It's glass cleaner. So So to turn it on, hold the button on the actual unit. And a little sort of whitey lilac light comes on. Now if you press this once now, it'll just do a manual one. Oh my god! Do you know what I'm gonna do? Do I have any battery on this? I'm gonna set. I do. I'm gonna set this inside. There we go. So I've just put the. I've just put the Insta inside so we can get an internal view. So that's your rain. Press it once. That is absolutely amazing. That is so good. What a good idea. So if you want to put it into automatic, you double press this. And that should do it every 4 seconds. And if you do it again, isn't that amazing? So if I press it again, I should change it into 10 seconds. That is unreal. So I definitely think it needs, either I've not secured it in properly, but I think it needs something on the back of these screws because it is sort of like moving. There's a lot of movement there. So there we have it, the Biker Guard window wiper. And I think that is actually genius. I think that is phenomenal. I do think I'm going to get laughed at and people are going to take the mickey, but it beats riding and not being able to see because I can't even lift my visor up because obviously I wear glasses when I'm riding. Well, I'm supposed to wear them all the time, but. So that for me is an absolute win. I think that's amazing. It looks good quality as well. It's like carbon fibre. That little strap will go around your handlebars. And yeah, I think that's an absolutely cracking invention. I really do. And yeah, I think that'll be coming with me on some rides in the near future over winter. I've got no excuse now, have I? I just need some winter gear. I need some proper winter gear. And that is a wrap. So that concludes day 3 of Vlogtober. Well, Biker Vlogtober. So for the rest of October, I've got quite a variation of videos planned out. There's going to be lots of different things that I'll go over, whether it be rides out, walkabouts, bike maintenance, gear, little how-tos, new products, window wipers. There's going to be so much that I'll go over, just to keep it all a little bit different. But as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, please. Like, subscribe, and hype, which is a new thing. Hype, hype, hype. And thank you, Biker Guard. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Does it look that bad? I think it only looks weird from a side. But yeah, from a side it's sort of interesting.